So we got a lot done over the week. The roof was completed and we've also boarded one side of it. We came over here early this morning to finish the other side. There's the roof. Almost complete. We just have to finish this side of it. We finished the walls on top as well. We couldn't really film completing the roof and boarding it and everything because Aldo was here working on the build and I was working at my other job, so there was really no one to film it. And I think it was like a 2-day job that they finished all of this. But yeah, today we're back at it again. It's really early and the sun is just about to come up behind me. And it is absolutely beautiful. And I'm glad the sun is coming up because it is a little cold today. Hopefully it'll get warmer throughout the day, but it is a little chilly. Let's get started.
What's in your mouth?
Let's not bother with that. I had to bring this guy to the back of the Jeep here. He was getting a bit cold, I think. Stop it! Okay, so yesterday was a busy day. We started off with boarding the short side of the roof, and once that was done, we started putting this thing called ice and rain shield on top of it. So now the roof is covered in that and it is watertight. So if it does rain, the camera won't get wet. Today morning we had some errands to run. We got here after that. It is a windy day. It's a little bit windy, so apologies for the bad audio. Today we're actually picking up some small things that we need to get done. If you can see behind me on that wall over there, there are those gaps that we need to fill in. So Aldo's working on that right now. I was just trying to do some cleanup and I realized how windy it was and there was no point in sweeping, so I'm just gonna go give Aldo a hand now. this guy was giving me a hard time. So I put him on this little leash that I made just now, courtesy of Timber Mart. Thanks, Timber Mart. Alright, so we did one side of the wall. We still have the other side to go. We did a little bit of it, but it is getting a bit late, and I need to go home and make some samosas because tomorrow is Thanksgiving and we're having like a little dinner thing at Megan's. So yes, happy Thanksgiving to all Canadians, everyone living in Canada. Yes, so I'm gonna go tackle that right now. Maybe tomorrow we'll come in early and finish the rest of the wall. Again, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I hope you've liked, it's probably a short video, but like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comment section below. That's it. Thanks. Bye. Just trying to figure out how to drive. Oh, sleepy. Kala! Kala! Kala!
Kala. What?
What? What?